awareness of prospects. It will also further assess the candidate and accordingly guide them in acquiring the required skills and employment opportunities. The services will also include job matching, employment and market analytics and video and value addition. In the times where the employment is a burning issue in the country, the employment exchange equipped with model career center will aid in increasing the employability of the youth in the state. Thank you for being a part of this program.
Thank you so much, sir. There's a wonderful saying. They say when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. When she took every opportunity, is not only doing good in Goa, but she made sure that whatever she does, she'll do it the best. And this is one of the first and the best in that Goa could ever have, the Model Career Center. And I think we need to applaud the Honorable Minister for Labour and Employment, Shrimati Jennifer Mankate. Tirelessly working. She didn't care about the pandemic. She said, no, jobs are a problem. Let me work on it. I request you, ma'am, to please share your views.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Elton, for the very warm welcome and the introduction. On behalf of the Department of Labour and Employment, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to the Honourable CM, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Commissioner, Labour and Employment, Shri Raju Gawas, Mr. Pednekar, members of CII and all dignitaries present here. A nation is advanced in proportion to education and intelligence spread among its people. These are the words of Swami Vivekananda, which is exactly what we are doing here today. The Government of India has initiated to revamp over 958 regional employment exchanges into model career centers. Our late CM, the Honorable Shri Manohar Parrikar, kick-started this work of the MCC, which was now being followed up by the present CM, Dr. Pramod Sawant, and my department. Across the nation, these model career centers will be equipped with state-of-the-art facilities and smart technologies that will enable the local youth to get connected and learn from the best teachers, business professionals, mentors, and peers, and not only within the state of Goa, but across India. Through this MCC, our children and the youth of Goa will have unrestricted access to career counseling, personality enhancements, seminars, aptitude assessment, skill training, and more importantly, job placements. This new MCC has been designed to have training halls with capacity for 80 with the latest audiovisual technology, video conferencing facilities, an independent counseling room, group counseling room, an IT lab, and a multi-purpose modular workstation, and a comprehensive digital library all under one roof. The MCC will also connect our Goan youth to some of India's leading skill training institutes, assessment bodies, schools, colleges, school and college administrations, local community leaders, and government departments to help them gain better knowledge and experience that enhances their skill sets. Apart from this, the center will also be conducting webinars, hosting job fairs, placement drives, and other such outreach activities on a regular basis. It will also conduct psychometric assessments and pre-employment preparations for the candidates so that they get placements inside and outside the state through the network of MCCs that are spread out all over the country. This will also help our youth find the right job, but also enable our Goan businessmen and employers find the right candidate to fit the job. The state government is committed to the cause of increasing local and skilled employment in the state of Goa under the dynamic leadership of the Honorable CM Dr. Pramod Sawant. The new and improved infrastructure will boost the efficiency of our regional employment exchange by simply providing convenience and ease of access to job seekers. The government is committed to help you and your children see a better future. By investing in education and such facilities today, we aim to empower our youth to have the best knowledge skills sets to lead the future, not only on the local and the national level, but also on the global stage. Once again, with the aim of reducing unemployment and boosting the economy in Goa, I urge the Goan youth, the employers and the job seekers to take maximum advantage of this model career center. I would like to thank the GSIDC, the architect Mr. Thengre, the consultants, and everyone from my department who worked towards making this possible, and for how beautiful this premises has turned out to be. And sir, I would like to thank you wholeheartedly for your continuous support towards initiatives taken up by my department. Thank you.
I think our claps could be louder. Mr. Motte and we have seen your hard work for the state of Goa. Ladies and gentlemen, not only ma'am, she urged her department that the pandemic should not stop anything, and that is the reason why this department, the Regional Employment Exchange, during the pandemic had seminars, webinars for students and colleges, high secondaries all over Goa. Well, there are a few colleges, keeping the pandemic in mind, we invited a few colleges and high secondaries to take their appreciation certificates. I would request our Chief Guest Sir, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, to kindly do the honors of the appreciation certificates. And I now request the principal or the...
I'll speak first. What type of certificate?
Appreciation certificates, seminars, Alright, ladies and gentlemen, they say that there are leaders and there are effective leaders. He's an excellent example of an effective leader doing impactful projects. So that's Muntato. I'm going to Chanita Kathir Kurtai, and he's doing good. I think we need to applaud his good work. I call him the unstoppable Chief Minister of Goa. What can I tell Maria? The Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant sir, to kindly inspire everyone with his kind words.
गोवा सरकारच्या एम्प्लॉयमेंट खात्यात मॉडेल करियर सेंटरच्या उक्तावणच्या कार्यक्रमाक माझ्या बरोबर म्हणजे डायनामिक मिनिस्टर मॅडम जेनिफर मोन्सेरात who takes the initiatives, different initiatives आपल्या डिपार्टमेंटान, not only in the labor and employment but also in the revenue department, in the IT department. but बरेचशे फावटी ते रोखडे दिसना, ताका थोडो टाइम लागता. थोड्या जाणांक ते रोखडे दिसलेले जाय, आत्ता गेल्यार आत्ता दिसपाक जाय. आय थिंक दिस इज वन स्टेप. जेन्ना तिणी इनिशिएटिव्स घेतलो ताज्या उपरांत तिणी पळयलें की मॉडल करियर सेंटर the CII people, I think the representatives of the CII here, congratulations for you people also who take this initiative to start these model career centers. Along with me, Labour Commissioner Raju Gausu asa, different industrial association चे representatives asat, press media चे म्हणजे सगळे भाव असतात, डिपार्टमेंटाचे सगळे स्टाफ, मोगाळ भावांनो आणि भयणांनो. गोंय सरकार फाटल्या 17 महिन्याच्या कार्यकाळात पॅन्डेमिक 6 महिने झाले आसा आणि ह्या 6 महिन्यांनी सुद्धा आम्ही नवीन नवीन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी कशा पद्धतीत गोयच्या तरणाट्यांक गोयच्या युवकांक मेळटले हे पळयता. आणि आमचो वेगवेगळ्या खात्याचे मंत्री, वेगवेगळ्या खात्याचे HODs, इवन दो बऱ्याच बरी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी गोंयकार भावा भयणींक दिवपाची संद सदोदीत पळयता. त्याचोच एक भाग म्हणून म्हाका दिसता द लेबर अँड एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिनिस्टर मॅडम जेनिफर मोन्सेरात आणि लेबर अँड एम्प्लॉयमेंटान 2 स्टेप घेतल्यो. द फर्स्ट टाइम द लेबर अँड एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज had given the access for the private companies. They can directly have the access, they can see who are the job seekers, so they can directly ask them, they can call them for the interview. And with this, few people have benefited also, few the Goan youth have benefited also. हाज्या पयलीं ते जायनाशिल्लें. बरेच जाण म्हणटाले की ती एडवर्टायज गोंयच्या भायल्या पेपराचेर दिला मरे, हांगासर कित्याक ना. आतां वेळ पडल्यार तांकां एडवर्टायजूय दिवपाची गरज ना. So that more and more people, more and more youth will start registering on a employment exchange. This is enrollment to employment. जर आमी ताणें रायटली म्हटलें की एनरोलमेंट करतले एम्प्लॉयमेंटा खातीर. आणि ही बरी गजाल आसा की तांच्यांनी त्या निमित्तान खुबशे जाण अशा पद्दतीचो फायदो घेतलो. हांव आतांच लेबर कमिशनरा कडेन उलयतालो पयलीं लेबर आनी एम्प्लॉयमेंटान रजिस्टर्ड करताले फक्त गव्हर्मेंटान नोकरी जाय म्हणून. बरेचशे फावटी म्हणजे वेन यू आर एप्लायींग फॉर द गव्हर्मेंट तो एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंजीचे कार्ड आहा काय म्हणून जातालो. नाव द प्रायवेट पीपल वन हू आर एम्प्लॉयड इन अ प्रायवेट कंपनी ऑल्सो, he will say that I am employed in a private company, I have this much experience, so that another company will, by considering his experience, they can call for the interview. तो बेकार ना, तो दुसऱ्या कंपनी एम्प्लॉयड असा, but for the last 5 years he is working in that IT company, so there is a better opportunity with me, so he can call because the opportunity आम्ही for your future prospects, for your better prospects, you can come and you can join in our company also. तांकां जेन्ना बेटर पोस्ट म्हणजे बरे आमी पळयता की मॅनेजमेंट सायटींतल्यान आसत किंवा बाकीच्या कॅटेगरींतल्यान आसत, देर आर सो मेनी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज. आनी मोस्ट ऑफ द टायम्स भायले म्हणजे जाका आमी म्हणटा की गोंया भायले भुरगे अशा पद्दतीच्या हायर पोस्टाचेर येवपाचे चान्सीसूय उरतले. आय थिंक यू पीपल वील एग्री विथ मी, म्हणजे इन हायर कॅटेगरीच्या पोस्टांतल्यान. सो नाव इट वील आवर ओन यूथ will come in this field. This is one of the best opportunity. Last time we did in the employment exchange to the SS for the private company. The second step regarding this model career center, जे एकदम म्हाका दिसता ताज्या पयलीं GSIDC did good job. तांच्यांनी एकदम बरे पद्दतीचे म्हणजे ज्या पद्दतीन आमी पळयता कावन्सिलर रूम्स, हॉल, ट्रेनिंग हॉल, म्हणजे मुळात दोनदा जेन्ना CII ची मिटिंग्स म्हणजे द टॉप हेड्स कम टू द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा, ताची म्हाज्या बरोबर मिटींग जाली. हांवें ताका नक्की विचारलें की प्रोग्राम कितें. वेन वी आर स्पेंडींग दीस मच मनी ऑन वन प्रायवेट सेक्टर, दीस इज नॉट अ गव्हर्मेंट प्रोग्राम, वी आर जॉयंटली डुईंग विथ द CII. दीस इज अ प्रायवेट गव्हर्मेंट पार्टनरशीप प्रोग्राम. नॉट वी आर रनिंग, दे विल रन बिहाफ ऑफ अस. सो बरेचशे फावटी आमी म्हणटा ते गव्हर्मेंटान रन केले जाल्यार फेल्युअर वचूंक शकता. आसा, there is a bad experiences also. Some new we start, sometimes we are not got the results. That's why we are in partnership with CII. So CII have taken the responsibility to run this model career center in one of the best in India. And so I think how many centers you have started in India?
So 37.
37 centers you have started in India. This is 37. 38.
Yes.
Okay. They have the vast experience also to run this type of model career center, so that which will benefit more and more for the Goan youth. Definitely, I think with their help, it is good for our employment exchange also to motivate the youth, to skill the youth, to train the youth. आणि ताजोच फायदो घेवन हे मॉडल करियर सेंटर फक्त हांगासर बसूनच म्हणजे युथांक तुम्ही थंयच्यान हांगा यो, म्हणजे आमच्या कोपार्डा गांवांतलो 70 युवक फक्त हांगा येतलो, किंवा सांग्या वयलो भाटी गांवांतलो किंवा काणकोणांतलो खोला गांवांतलो युथ हांगा येतलो अशेंच ना. सो आमी तांकां टार्गेटूय दिला. ज्या ज्या पद्दतीन म्हणजे देर इज अ ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज अवेलेबल इन द वेरियस इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट, इदर इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा, अदरवायज इन द आउट ऑफ स्टेट ऑल्सो, वेरीवर द ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज अवेलेबल. आमच्या युवकांक दिवपा खातीर फक्त पणजेन बसून न रावता तुम्ही तालुका लेवलाचेर एटलिस्ट तुमचो म्हयन्यांतलो एखादो कॅम्प हो ऑर्गनायज करचो पडटलो. थंय तुमी तांकां ट्रेन करचें पडटलें. फक्त एनरोल करून घेवप जाल्यार ते आमी घेताले, आमकां एनरोल करपा नाका. की तांच्यांनी म्हटलां दिस ऑन द मॉडल बेसीस दे आर रनिंग फॉर द 3 years इनिशियली, देन वील रिवायज, बट इज एवरी इयर दे विल सबमीट अ रिपोर्ट, दे हॅव द टार्गेट. आमी इतक्या युवकांक तुमच्या जॉब दिले, जेका आमी म्हणटा की इतक्या युवकांक आमी स्कील ट्रेन केले, इतक्या जाणांक आमी कावन्सिलींग केलें. एवरी मंथ दे विल सबमीट अ रिपोर्ट टू द लेबर कमिशनर, टू द लेबर मिनिस्टर. शी विल रिवायव. म्हणजे प्रत्येक फावटी आमकां चेंज करपाचो स्कोप आसा की बाबा आतां पर्यंत फक्त भुरग्यांक अजुनूय आमी पळयता की आमी जर पळयत जाल्यार आज हांव पळयतालो इन GPSC टू द इंटरव्यू इन 47 कॅटेगरी ऑफ द पोस्ट, there is not a single candidate have passed the CBRT exam. Why, I don't know. In 47 category of the post, not a single candidate. आणि तांचे तर म्हणणे we have syllabus is our open, then why it is so? ताच्या खातीर म्हणजे बरेचशे फावटी आमी पळयता की द मोस्ट एड्युकेशन घेवपाक जाय ते सगळें एड्युकेशन कंप्लीट करता, बट हाव टू फेस द इंटरव्यू some people doesn't know. Their training, their counseling, and where to go, what to do. After the 12th science, after the graduation, what are the opportunities available? म्हणजे आम्ही खूपशे फावटी आम्ही ट्राय करता I'm trying continuously being an education minister. I'm trying for the 10th standard, 12th standard. We have given a training for the teachers also to do the counseling for the career counseling for the student. But there is a limitations. There is a limitations. तांकां खूप मोठे खूप नॉलेज आसा अशें ना, आमी तांकां अपडेट करीत आसा. बट खरें म्हटल्यार टीचर हो खरो करियर कावन्सिलींग जावं येता. बट ताच्या खातीर म्हणजे आय आस्क फॉर द CI also, you take one day the workshops for the teachers also. They should know what are the careers opportunities available in the state and out of state, in India and out of India also. So that एकदा जर ते जाणा जालें जाल्यार ते भुरग्यांक त्याच लेवलाचेर म्हणजे एट अ टायम म्हणजे आफ्टर 10th आफ्टर 12th खंयचें करियर चूज कर, ऑप्शन्स अवेलेबल जी आसा पळय न्हू, ही जर तांकां आमी दिली जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता जे आत्तां बेकारीचो प्रश्न आसा, आमी म्हणटा एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंजीन हाऊ मेनी पीपल हॅव रजिस्टर्ड राजू? 1 lakh अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 1 lakh भितरले कदाचित 30-40 हजार भुरगे खंय तरी प्रायवेटान जॉबूय करता आसतले किंवा तेजे 60-70 जॉब करता, 30,000 थोडे जाण खरेंच बेकार आसतले. म्हणजे आयजूय पळयता म्हाका प्रश्न पडटा, वेन देर इज अ मेकॅनिकल इंजिनियर, वेन देर इज अ IT इंजिनियर, तो म्हणटा हांव मेकॅनिकल इंजिनियर जाला आनी घरात कडेन आसा, म्हाका जॉबूच ना. वायस वर्सा देर इज अ फील्ड ओपन आसा. आमच्याकडे मेकॅनिकल इंजिनियर म्हणून भायले येऊनही काम करतात. हांव IT इंजिनियर जाला म्हणटा तरी बेकार आसा. हे कित्याक? खरें मेकॅनिकल इंजिनियर, IT इंजिनियर, वेन यू आर कंप्लीशन युअर ग्रॅज्युएशन इन द प्रोफेशनल, बेकार रावपाचो प्रश्न पडपाक जायना आसलो. इधर खंय तरी दे वॉन्ट टू एम्प्लॉय, अदरवायज दे वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट देयर ओन बिझनेस. मागीर फॉल्ट खंय आसा, ही फॉल्ट आमकां सोदची पडटली. इधर वायल डुईंग देयर स्टडीज तितूर आसा, तांच्या मदीं आसा, काय आमच्या सिस्टमान आसा. आनी तें करपा खातीर म्हणजे स्पेशली हांव गोंयच्या तरणाट्यांक सगळ्यांक उलो मारता आयच्या ह्या सुवाळ्याचेर. म्हाका दिसता जे रजिस्टर्ड जाले आसतले, जे रजिस्टर्ड जावंक ना आसतले, त्या सगळ्या तरणाट्यांनी रजिस्टर्ड जावचें. बट वन्स एकदा तरी तांच्यांनी मॉडल करियर सेंटराक विजीट करचो. आनी विजीट केल्या उपरांत आय आस्क फॉर द मॉडल करियर सेंटर CI पीपल ऑल्सो. If one of the person is visiting, their experience should be good. Yeah, I have visited. You have given me the good choice of about my career, about my job, anything. एकदा तरी त्यांच्यानी विजिट करचें आनी त्यांच्यानी एक्सपिरियन्स घेवचो की बाबा CI जे गायड करता तांकां रायटली गायड करता. आनी ताकाच लागून म्हणजे आमी म्हणटा की आमचो बेकारी रेट खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात वाडला. तो रिड्यूस करपा खातीर, तो कमी करपा खातीर म्हाका दिसता हे मॉडल करियर सेंटर वील प्ले द इम्पॉर्टंट रोल इन स्पेशली रिगार्डिंग द एम्प्लॉयमेंट. आनी निश्चितच हाजो फायदो हो गोंयांतल्या वेगवेगळ्या भागांतल्यान तेंच्यांनी फुडल्या 12 म्हयन्यांक एट डिफरंट 12 तालुका प्लेसीसचेर एक प्रोग्राम. इट इज नॉट म्हणजे आतां पर्यंत आमी फक्त थंय वयताले, परत ना आपल्याक जाय ते भुरगे आयले ना, तेंच्यांनी रिजल्ट दिवचो. इट इज अ टार्गेट फॉर देम. ऑल 12 तालुका यू ऑर्गनाइज each one camp in each. You start from the month of January and in the 12 months you complete the 12 camps. Whatever the help required from our employment exchange, we are there. All the industry people is also with you, those who are in state of Goa. Definitely will, and you take as the target at least with this आमकां मॅक्झिमम म्हणजे आमी एकदां घरा कडेन बसून म्हणटा की गोंयकारांक संदी मेळना, गोंयकारांक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळना. बट इंडस्ट्रीचो प्रश्न वेगळो आसा. ते म्हणटा कोण कामाकूय येयना. तांच्यांनी सांगचें म्हाका कामाकूय येयना आमकां. म्हणजे आमच्या कडेन कितलेशेच जॉब एवेलेबल आसत. इनिशियल स्टेज हांव म्हणना की प्रत्येक जाण वयतलो ताका जाय ती सॅलरी मेळटली, प्रत्येकाक परमनंट जॉब मेळटलो, प्रत्येकाक आपल्याक जाय तशें रिलॅक्सेशन ना. दॅट इज नॉट सो. त्या खातीर सुरवातीच्या घडीक म्हाका दिसता त्रास काडपूय गरजेचें आसा. आनी सुरवात ती आमी जर आपली स्टार्ट बरी केली जाल्यार नक्कीच फ्युचर जें आसा हें खूब बरें आसतलें. हांव ल्हानसो म्हाजो एक्सपिरियन्स शेअर करता. आफ्टर कंप्लिटींग माय BMS, प्रॅक्टीस स्टार्ट करप काय जॉब करप, आय एम इन कन्फ्यूज स्टेट आशिल्लो. हांव आफ्टर कंप्लिशन माय एप्रेंटीस हांव जेन्ना गोंयांत आयलो, म्हणजे हांव कंप्लिटेड माय स्टडी आउट ऑफ गोवा. आनी कितें करप I started with my job in Ayurvedic Medical College on 4,000 rupees. म्हाका 3,000 रुपया माझ्या बायकाक लागताले टू गो फ्रॉम द कोटंबी टू शिरोडा आनी माझी सॅलरी आशिल्ली 4,000 रुपया. हांवें पळयलें की 9 म्हयने हांवें जॉब केल्या उपरांत दिस इज नॉट वायेबल. सो आय हॅव स्टार्टेड माय ओन क्लिनीक. जेन्ना म्हाका कळ्ळें की हें योग्य दिसना कितें तरी being in the medical profession, I have to start my own clinic. I changed and I started my own clinic in my own village, Panchayat Pali, at Bamai. Clinic karta karta, I got the opportunity in a government job as an Ayurvedic physician. I took that opportunity also. म्हणजे आम्ही रावून उपयोग ना. माझो सांगपाचो उद्देश इतकोच, जो रावलो तो उरलो थारलो. त्या खातीर प्रत्येक युवकांक मॅडमीन जशें स्वामी विवेकानंदान कोट केलें तेजूर हांव ल्हानशा स्वामी विवेकानंदाच्या शब्दांनी म्हजें भाशण सोंपयतना सांगतलो. चला चला उठा जागे व्हा. सॉरी हांव विसरलो. हांव शब्द विसरलो. बट चलात उठात जागे जायात आनी थांबू नकात. जो पर्यंत आपलें स्वप्न साकार करी पर्यंत थांबू नकात. म्हणून म्हाका दिसता सगळ्या तरणाट्यांक हांव इतकेच उलो मारतलो की आमी थांबून उपयोग ना. आमी मूव जायत रावपाक जाय. आमचें स्वप्न साकार जाय पर्यंत आमी मूव जावपाक जाय. आमी नवीन नवीन सातत्यान सुरू करपाक जाय. आनी तें जर केलें आसत जाल्यार निश्चितच म्हणजे माननीय पंतप्रधान मोदीजींच्या भाशेंतल्यान जर सांगपाचें जालें, आत्मनिर्भर भारत ह्या योजनेच्या खाला तांच्यांनी जेन्ना वेरियस येवजण्यो म्हणजे ह्या देशांतलो तरणाटो स्वताच्या पांयार उबो रावचो म्हणून तांच्यांनी विविध योजना ज्यो ह्या पॅन्डेमिकच्या स्थितीत सुद्धा आत्मनिर्भर भारत ह्या सकयल सुरू केल्या. त्या योजनेचो फायदो आमी सगळे जाण घेतले. ताका जोडूनच आमी गोंयान म्हटलां आत्मनिर्भर भारत स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय जावचें. आमचो हो कन्सेप्ट साकार करपा खातीर गोंयचे तरणाटे इनिशिएटिव्स घेतले, फुडाकार घेतले. आनी नक्कीच परत एकदां आयच्या ह्या सुवाळ्याचेर खूब बऱ्या कार्यक्रमाक हांव स्पेशली द लेबर एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिनिस्टर मॅडम जेनिफर मॉन्सेरात जेणे इनिशिएटिव्स घेतलो, हें सातत्यान घडोवन हाडलें. आनी स्पेशली विथ द CII म्हणजे ज्यांच्यांनी हें मॉडल करियर सेंटर रन करपाचो आनी टार्गेट अचीव करपाचो जो दवरला तो तेंच्यांनी सक्सेस करचो अशें म्हाका दिसता. आनी माय बेस्ट विशीस विथ देम. थँक्यू.
Thank you very much, sir. You are always inspiring for everyone, and we all once look at you as a young, dynamic leader. And एकदा परतून आम्ही मोठ्यान ताळयो मारूया for Honorable Chief Minister, Sir Dr. Pramod Sawant. As I was saying that this department has conducted various webinars for skill enrichment and requesting the respective principal or representative from these high secondaries and colleges to kindly accept their certificate of appreciation, requesting our Chief Guest, Sir, the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, to kindly do the honors for the first 3 institutes. Rosary Higher Secondary in Avelin, Magta Fudeyon, Tanso certificate. Rosary Higher Secondary in Avelin. Amitario Maria, you're welcome. Requesting Don Bosco College of Engineering, Fatorta, Goa, to kindly come forward and accept their certificate of appreciation. Also requesting St. Michael's Higher Secondary, Talegaon, to kindly come forward and accept their certificate of appreciation. Thank you, Chief Guest, sir, for the honors. Now I request the Honorable Minister for Labor and Employment to continue the honors. Requesting Raishwar Institute of Engineering, Shiroda, माशे फुडे येवन तुमचो appreciation gift वचून मोठ्यान आमी ताळयो मारया. Kunkulam Educational Society College of Commerce and Arts, Kunkulam, to kindly accept their certificate of appreciation. Those webinars are conducted all over Goa. Number 1, please, all over Goa. Also requesting Swami Vivekananda College of